Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to log into our Pune University external account. Let's get started. So if you want to log into your Pune University external account, what you can do is just simply open up your browser. You can select any browser you like, and after opening up your browser in search bar, you can search for Pune University external login. So after searching for that option, you'll come up to this page, and from here to log into your external account, what you can do is just tap on the second option, which says University of Pune External. So after tapping on that option, now in order to log into your account, what you can do is just enter your external permanent registration number and then enter the date of birth. So after entering your date of birth, now what you can do is just tap on login, and after tapping on login, you'll successfully log into your account. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot login details. But if you have forgotten your account's password, then what you can do is just tap on forgot login details. Now after tapping on forgot login details, you can easily reset or record your password by creating a new one. So just create a new password for your account. After creating a new password for your account, what you can do is just come back to this login page and then enter the new password that you have created, then tap on login, and after doing all that, you'll successfully log into your account. So that's it guys, this is how to log into your Pune University's external account. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.